Location strategies. Location strategies. There are multiple ways of selecting an object on a page. But, what are the trade-offs of each of these locator types? Recall we can locate an object using the element's ID, the element's name attribute, an XPath statement, bylinks text, document object model, or DOM. Location strategies. Using an element ID or name locator is the most efficient in terms of test performance, and also makes test code more readable, assuming the ID or name within the page source is well named. XPath statements take longer to process since the browser must run its XPath processor. XPath has been known to be especially slow in Internet Explorer version 7. Locating via links text is often convenient and performs well. This technique is specific to links though. Also, if the link text is likely to change frequently, locating by the A element would be the better choice. There is an advantage to using XPath that locating via ID or name attributes do not have. With XPath and DOM, you can locate an object with respect to another object on the page. For example, if there is a link that must occur within the second paragraph within a div section, you can use XPath to specify this. With ID and name locators, you can only specify that they occur on the page that is somewhere on the page. If you must test that an image displaying the company logo appears at the top of the page within a header section, XPath may be the better locator. Locating AJAX elements. The best way to locate and verify an AJAX element is to use the Selenium 2.0 WebDriver API. It was specifically designed to address testing of AJAX elements, where Selenium 1 has some limitations. In Selenium 2.0 you use the waitFor method to wait for a page element to become available. The parameter is a by object, which is how WebDriver implements locators. To do this with Selenium 1.0, Selenium RC, a bit more coding is involved, but it isn't difficult. The approach is to check for the element. If it's not available, wait for a predefined period and then again recheck it. This is then executed with the loop with a predetermined timeout terminating the loop. If the element isn't found,